we doing today? We're gonna be opening Rainbocorns. You guys like these toys? Have you guys ever opened them before?
No.
No? Never?
No.
You guys excited?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you guys think is in them? Tiny little pets?
Yeah, tiny pets.
Let's see, turn it around on the back. Oh, wow. What's on the back of these ones? Can you turn them around? Ooh, look. Ooh, that one has wings. It's gonna fly away. What's on
this one's really cute because look, it's a dog and it's a unicorn dog.
Aww.
I'll open.
Okay, so which one do you guys want to open first?
I want to open this one.
That one?
Yeah, I want to open this one too.
You guys, okay, hold on. Since there's 4 in them, we all get 2 each, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this one is the Series 2. It has a 4-pack. It's the Itsy Glitzy Surprises. Ooh, they're color changing, see?
Yay! Wow.
Wow. They're for age 3 and up, so that's cool. All right, let's open it. Remember, 2 each, okay, guys? Because we're going to be sharing.
Yeah, sharing good. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is good and it's caring.
I want to get pink. I get one, you get one.
Yep, you guys each get 2.
Okay.
All right. These little things came out. Those are kind of cool.
Yeah, let's open.
Okay, let's open it.
I can't open it. I'll open it for you.
You can't open it. Do you need help? All right, we got a cup of water. Because they are color changing. They color change. So we got 2 cups of water. Ooh, look at your guys' horns on them. The little unicorn things. Oh, those are cool. You guys see the colors?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. What is yours? Is that a baby owl? No, let's open one at a time. What did you get in this one? What is that?
A yellow ochre.
Oh, look, they come with little barrettes that you can put in your hair. They change colors. Let's see what color you got. Oh, you got pink. Okay, you guys want to put them in the cup and see if they change colors? Oh, look at it. It's so cute.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, I think you only put the little pink pieces in there. And you put the yellow ones in there. These things. Let's put these in there. See if they change colors. Is it changing?
No.
Okay, so let's see if the barrettes and the little pink things and your purple ones, let's put them in the water and see if they change colors, because that's what it's supposed to be. Yeah, those. Okay, see, it's the butterfly and the bow that changes colors. Let's open the next egg and see what's in it. Okay, let's see what's in the other eggs. Yours, that's so cute. Wow, what'd you get? Oh, you got the same one but orange. Look at yours. Okay, when you put the rings on there, you gotta make sure that they are lined up with the other heart.
Yeah, I did it.
Good job. What all did you get in there?
Look, I got 2 rings.
Oh, I like it. This is everything that you get. Okay, so you guys want to open the big ones?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. Hold on. This one has wings.
Yeah, look, guys, the wings can move.
Oh, it's got real fairy wings you can wear. Oh, that's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see what Ava's looks like. Ava has pink wings on the back of hers that she can really put on. And the glitter inside is super pretty. Ava, you see the glitter? Look at the glitter inside.
Can I see?
Oh, look, there's water. There's water in there. See, watch. We opened the front layer. This is what the eggs look like.
Yeah, but guys, what does this mean?
It's actually really pretty.
What does this mean?
Oh, I don't know.
What does this mean?
Yep, and this one is I love hair dryers.
Okay,
That's funny.
Let's open this.
All right, let's open the rest. Okay, let's see what else you guys got in there. Oh, wow, that's so cute. Look. Ava, look, what's in yours? Oh, look what you guys got. what?
Yeah, guys, look. Feel
Oh,
it.
they're so
Feel
cute.
Look, Mom, feel
Oh,
it.
those are soft.
Yeah, you can snuggle with it.
Aw. Do you like yours too, Ava? Oh, I got wings. Oh, they match your guys' wings. This is the stuff that you get inside of here. Oh, you got a blue one.
Yeah, but look at the wings. But I want to open my.
What'd you get? Oh, it's the baby.
Can we try to open our wings?
Oh yeah, let's put your wings on. Maybe that's what the string's for. You know what I mean? Maybe. So let's take off the wings. So how to take off the wings? There's a thing in the back. You just pull it up and ta-da! It's off.
I think you put.
Oh, it is. There's the little holes, and then you wear your wings. Okay, let's try to put them on there. Okay, so these are everything that you get inside the big eggs. And you get little slime and Ava. And then also, stand up. Let's see your wings. Kayla got blue and Ava got pink. Wow. Okay, go back over there. Okay, so did you guys like this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody, please give a big thumbs up if you guys like our videos. Please. Big thumbs up. Like Ava's. Big thumbs up. Woohoo. Okay, let's open the next eggs. Now we are going to open this one. And it says it's got 7 surprises in it. Let's pop it open. Ooh, look. Oh, wow. Look what you guys got. It's a baby one. And it's got little purple wings. Wow. Oh, it's got a baby egg too. Oh, it's slime. Okay, here's the baby. Let's see what's inside the baby.
This one looks like snow, and that one looks like when it's summer.
Wow, yeah. Let's see what you got inside. Hold on, MaKayla. You got to open that. Wow, it's a keychain. Wow, let's see what it looks like up close. It's stickers. You guys got stickers in this. Look. You guys like that toy?
Yeah.
These are all the cool things you guys can get inside of this. So I think the slime actually changes colors into a magic poop slime. Oh wow, these are slime. These are poops. That's so funny. Let's mix it. So your guys' stickers they smell. See, you scratch it and then you sniff it and it smells like something. That's super cool.
That smells good.
What does it smell like? Ooh, that does smell super good. It smells like watermelon. What is this one?
And mine too.
That one does too. Those smell super good.
You didn't itch it.
That's super cool. They're scratch and sniff, smell good stickers. Let's mix the poop up and see what color and magic poop you guys got, okay? Okay, so here's the slime. We're going to mix it together. Okay, this is everything you guys get.
Oh yeah, guys, look, it changed colors.
It did change color. It changed to like a light pink. So this is everything you get inside this little egg. Little keychain and stuff.
Yeah.
These are the next ones we are gonna open.
Look, guys, I like that one.
Oh yeah, those are cute. Oh, they're different. See,
I like
the backs
this
are different.
It's the doghouse.
Oh, that's cool. You can turn the box into a doghouse. That's cool.
Can we open them now?
Okay, you guys ready to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it. Wow, that's so cool.
I think this is the doghouse.
Oh, it is. That's the one that you turn into the doghouse. Look at that. That's so cool. Aw, look.
Oh, that's so cute.
Wow.
No, it's missing.
It's got pigtails. Oh, you guys got the same. Look. Wow. One's a blue, one's a purple collar, one's a pink collar.
I got the paint and she got chewing.
Aw, that's so cool. You guys get to decorate your guys'
It's
homes.
her birthday.
What?
It's her birthday.
Wow. Okay, so this is everything you get inside these.
Yeah.
You guys like this toy too?
Yeah.
You guys got a lot of little stuffed animals.
Yeah.
They're super cute. Which one's your guys' favorite?
I like this one and that one.
You do?
I like this one and this one.
You like all of them? You guys like them all?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say, everybody give us a big thumbs up, please.
Everybody give us a big
if you guys like the videos, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Look.
Okay, so you guys had fun?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
Say bye.